Grant surname meaning in history presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it is a Scottish, Irish, and English nickname from the Anglo-Norman French word graund, meaning tall or large, derived from the Latin word grandis, denoting a person of remarkable size. The surname could also have Norse origin, with recent DNA analysis supporting this conclusion, and the family claiming descent from Olav Hemmingsson of Norway. According to family tradition, the name is a locational name from the name of a meadow in the Scottish Highlands which the family first occupied. Early bearers included Hugo Grandis in Warwick in 1084, Gilbert Grant in Oxford in 1183, William le Grand in Norfolk in 1204, William le Grant in Yorkshire in 1219, Gregory le Grant in Cambridgeshire in 1273, John le Graunt of Oxford in 1273, and Richard in Wiltshire in 1273. Historical seat is Grant Castle, which we see here. Knighthoods included Sir William Grant, Solicitor General and Member of Parliament in 1799, Sir John Grant, Lieutenant Colonel, 1815, Sir Maxwell Grant, Lieutenant Colonel, in 1815, Sir Richard Grant, a captain in the Royal Navy, knighted in 1820, Sir James Robert Grant, a medical doctor, in 1816, Sir William Keir Grant, a Major General, in 1822, Sir Lewis Grant, a Major General, in 1831, Sir Robert Grant in 1834, Sir Alexander Grant in 1837, and Sir Thomas Tassel Grant, Comptroller of the Navy, in 1858. There was also Sir James Hope Grant, Lieutenant Colonel. He was knighted in 1860. Sir Patrick Grant, Major General of the Bengal Infantry, in 1861. Sir John Peter Grant, Lieutenant Governor of Bengal, in 1862. Sir Francis Grant, President of the Royal Academy, knighted in 1866. Sir Charles Grant in 1885. Sir James Alexander Grant, Medical Doctor of Ottawa, Canada, in 1887. And Sir Robert Grant, Major General of the Royal Engineers, in 1896. Noble titles held included the Grant Baronetcy of Dalby, created in the Baronetage of Nova Scotia in 1668 for Sir James Grant, Chief Legal Officer in Scotland. Here we see the family estate of Dalby House. The Grant Baronetcy of Monymusk in the county of Aberdeen was created in the Baronetage of Nova Scotia in 1705 for Sir Francis Grant, a Scottish judge. Here we see Monymusk House. Noble titles held: Charles Grant, Scottish politician and colonial administrator, elevated to the peerage as Baron Glenelg in the Count of Inverness. Charles William Grant, Lieutenant Colonel, who served in the War of 1812, succeeded to the title of Baron of Longueuil in 1841, a title of French nobility that was originally granted by King Louis XIV of France to a Norman military officer in 1657. Landed gentry included Grant of Glenmoriston in County Inverness, Scotland, and of Moy in County Moray. Grant of Hillersdon House in County Devonshire, England. Grant of Kilgraston and Pittkilthy. Grant of Kilmurray in County Cork, Ireland. Grant of Kincorth in County Moray. And Grant of Lichborough in County Northamptonshire, England. Notables included Valentine Grant, an American silent film actress, Ulysses S. Grant, military officer and politician who served as the 18th President of the United States, Alexander Grant, a Royal Navy officer, businessman and politician in Upper Canada, Lieutenant Colonel Colquhoun Grant, a British Army soldier and intelligence officer during the Napoleonic Wars, William Grant, a Scottish politician and judge, appointed Lord of the Session, and was created Lord Preston Grange in 1754. Surgeon Major Alexander Grant, a British Army surgeon who served in the Indian Medical Service. James Grant, Laird of Ballinadlich, a British Army officer who served as a Major General during the American War of Independence and served as Governor of East Florida. Major General James Grant saw action in the Battle of Mallavelly. And Lieutenant Colonel James Augustus Grant, a Scottish explorer of eastern equatorial Africa. Early settlers included Matthew and Priscilla Grant, who came to Massachusetts in 1630. Seth Grant and John Grant came to Massachusetts. Christopher Grant came to Virginia in 1637. John Grant came the following year, and Samuel Grant came to Massachusetts in 1640. If you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research. Link in the description. Thank you very much.